How to use Clipchamp video editor. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Clipchamp video editor. If you're looking for an easy to use tool for creating and editing videos online, Clipchamp is a great choice. So let's dive in and explore its features. First, go to clipchamp.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Video to start a new project, and you'll be prompted to choose an aspect ratio based on your video needs. Select the one that fits your project. Next, it's time to import your media, so click on the Media tab to upload videos, images or audio from your computer. You can also use the stock library to find free clips and sounds. Simply drag and drop your media into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now let's edit. You can trim clips by selecting them in the timeline and dragging the edges. Use the text tool to add titles or captions. Just choose a style and customize the text. You can also apply filters, adjust brightness, and add transitions between clips for a smoother flow. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click on the Export button in the top right corner and choose your desired resolution and format. Then hit Export Video. Clipchamp will render your video and you can download it to your device once it's finished. And that's it. You're now ready to use Clipchamp Video Editor to create amazing videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more video editing tips. Happy editing, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.